roast of my beef, the mash to my potato, the extra cheese on my burrito. You're the cream of the cream on my sweet little thing. You're the dish of the day, now where do I begin?
The general advice we give for someone with type 2 diabetes is to follow the Eat Well plate, which is what we use in Britain to show what a healthy, balanced diet should look like for anybody over the age of 5. There's 5 main food groups. The first one is fruit and vegetables, and you should aim to have between 5 and 9 portions every day, and the portion is about a handful or 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetables, 1 apple, 1 banana or a small glass of fruit juice. They contain vitamins, minerals and fibre.
The next one we have here is the starchy carbohydrate group, so that includes our bread, rice, potatoes and pasta. We should be aiming for around 5 to 14 of these foods a day. A portion might consist of a slice of bread, 2 new potatoes, or about 3 tablespoons of cooked spaghetti or rice. So if you're quite sedentary, then it can be useful to stick to the lower threshold, so around the 5 to 6 portions a day, 2 portions with each meal, for example. If you're more active and burning more energy, then you need more carbohydrates to fuel this, so you might be aiming for 2 to 3 portions with each meal.
The next group is milk and dairy foods, and you need 2 to 3 portions of these a day, and a portion is about 1/3 of a pint of milk, a matchbox size of cheese, which is about 30 grams, or a pot of yoghurt. They're very high in calcium, which is important for your bones and teeth. It's best to choose the lower fat ones when they're available.
The protein category consists of meat, fish, eggs and alternatives such as pulses. A portion of protein, such as meat or fish, looks like a small deck of playing cards. Proteins are really important in the body for growth and repair. All our fruits contain a natural sugar called fructose. It's a slow-acting sugar, so that's why we say that there's no need to cut out any particular fruits, including grapes and bananas, which are common myths. We don't advise any diabetic products for people with type 2 diabetes. Diabetic products offer no benefit over regular products, so if you did want some jam or ice cream, you can, just make sure you're being aware of the portion size. A word of caution with fruit juice, it's a more concentrated form of carbohydrate, so be aware of portion sizes. It's advisable just to aim for the 1 glass of fruit juice a day. A glass would be around 150 ml.
An example of a healthy balanced lunch could be a chicken salad sandwich on granary bread. An example of a healthy balanced main meal could be meat, potatoes and vegetables. You've got most of your plate providing the vegetables and a smaller portion of carbohydrate and some protein from the beef.
Another option could be a spaghetti bolognese. So you can add some vegetables on the side, and a good tip is to add plenty of veg to the sauce as well to bulk it out and add extra flavour. So these are some examples of portion sizes which show a nice balance between the amount of vegetables, carbohydrate and protein on a plate. We know there's a link between being overweight and type 2 diabetes. Trying to maintain or achieve a healthy weight is a good target. This isn't realistic for everybody, and we do know that just a 5 to 10% weight loss can be really beneficial for diabetes control. A recommended amount is around 1 to 2 pounds a week as a healthy weight loss target.
Some people eat because they're upset, depressed, and getting further help and support, if that is the case, is the way forward.
If you want further information, you can attend a local structured education course. Some examples include Desmond and Expert. People learn as much from each other attending the course as they do from the experts, and feedback has been really positive. There's an awful lot of information to learn on diabetes.
The thing I want you to take away, if nothing else, is that the diet should be the same as it is for the general population. It's everything in moderation and no foods are forbidden.